how to dial down your sexual urges and to really move with a clean mind and a clean slate. This is what I've learned and what I just did here. I just meditated in this beautiful garden, and I noticed that whenever I do meditate, these sexual urges seem to be less effective on my mind, seem to be less effective on my body. I know starting on this journey, you get this sexual urge and you're instantly just like overwhelmed by this feeling of lust and desire and the urge to release it. Remember, fellas, when you feel that feeling of lust and that level of horny that you experience, that is your energy. That is you feeling your energy. So make sure you remember that. That's your energy. That's what you feel. That's what it is. And I wanted to talk about this because I was watching the MJ movie last night, and MJ was going, obviously, he would have said it before, you know, I'm channeling this energy. And this is what it is. It's about you channeling this energy, this universal power, you know, from the universe, from the sun here, you know, from God right here. I'm gonna say the light bearer. The sun is giving life here, bro. I'm channeling this energy from the universe and the thoughts and the frequencies here. But to really channel yourself is to meditate. You want to clear these urges. It's to meditate. And on this journey of semen intention, you know, whether you may like it or not, but you will like it when you learn, when you grow. This is a spiritual journey. This is a spiritual journey that you are walking on, and you will be along this. Remember, the journey is always the best part, bro. This is love. The journey's great. We're here. This is the journey. I love life. I love you. I'm grateful for you being here. Remember, this is about channeling your energy, this universal power of semen intention, celibacy, harnessing yourself, you know, focusing on yourself, controlling your mind here. I should go back to the other camera, other hand. But to get really dialed down, and I'm gonna say, you know, obviously you're gonna have the sexual urges wherever you go. But to really dial down, take control back of yourself, feel your mind, feel your energy, and feel clean, it's to meditate. I always preach that Wim Hof method, bro. If you're learning meditating, if you're just getting started with meditating, do the Wim Hof method. It's the best method to meditate, and I recommend it to anybody. If you want to meditate, man, try this technique. But really get in nature here, really love here, move forward here. We're out here, bro. You want to get rid of those sexual urges, you know what to do. You want to channel your energy, you know what to do. You want to take care of yourself, you know what to do. If you want to be better, you know what to do. You know what to do. You have the answers within you. Stay blessed, stay strong, stay focused. Love you guys. Peace and love. Ciao.